If you use Evernote to keep your ideas, meeting notes, project plans, or research organized, then tagging your notes is one of the fastest ways to make everything searchable and easy to manage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tag notes in the Evernote web interface, step by step, using the built-in tag field and the inline hashtag method. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote in your browser and go to the note you want to organize. You can do this from your notes list, a notebook, or by searching for the note directly. Once the note is open, take a look at the bottom of the note pane. This is where Evernote keeps the note level tagging options. You should see an Add Tag field or a tag icon depending on your layout and account view. Click that Add Tag field and then start typing the name of the tag you want to apply. For example, you might type Meeting, Client, Project, or Research. As you type, Evernote may show matching tag suggestions if that tag already exists in your account. If you see the correct tag in the drop-down, click it to apply it instantly. If not, just press Enter to create and save the new tag. That's the first and most direct way to tag a note in Evernote. Now let's go over the second method, which is inline tagging. This works both in the web interface and in the desktop app, and it can be really handy if you want to tag while you're writing. To do this, click inside the body of your note anywhere you want to add the tag reference. Then type the hashtag symbol, followed immediately by your tag word. So for example, you could type number meeting or number project. As soon as you type the hashtag, Evernote will usually show a drop-down menu with existing tags that match what you're entering. From there, you can select an existing tag from your list, or if Evernote gives you the option, create a new tag right away. This is a quick way to build a more organized note structure as you write, especially if you like using tags as part of your note workflow. One thing to keep in mind is that tag names should be clear and consistent. If you use too many similar tags, like work, work one, work notes, and work tasks, your system can get messy pretty fast. A better approach is to keep your tags simple, specific, and reusable. For example, you might use tags like invoice, content, meeting notes, or ideas. That way, when you search later, your notes are easy to filter and find. After you apply the tag, you can always go back and add more tags to the same note if needed. Evernote is flexible, so a single note can belong to multiple categories at once. That makes tagging especially useful for cross-referencing notes that fit into more than one topic. And if you ever want to remove a tag, you can usually return to the tag area and delete it from the note without removing the note itself. So to recap, you can tag notes in Evernote in two main ways: by using the Add Tag field at the bottom of the note, or by typing a hashtag inline in the note body. Both methods are fast, and both help you keep your notes organized and searchable. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.